the ban me channel so. And Chebian say the US government the ban to Huawei so. I say Huawei any US companies into me any juma. Na sa ban buy the Huawei company ton or more ana division my different companies and be on me and manufacture phones at ton in the ana name. Yeah, things so on me at ton the P series and also a different company. Na sa decision be necessary because Huawei for into me and ton products with the US, but so much ton the my different company there, and that company has the chance to sell those devices in the US because of the ban into Huawei smartphone being where bit me use the Google Play Store, but so much ton my different company there, that company no a bit to me use the Google Play Store. And you know so to say Google Play Store and most of the Google apps are use it though Huawei phone so upload on Mankasa App Store there. So it me fun to the Google Play Store now. Answer metro has many pages over subscribe to my YouTube channel Nyankopon Shapa. Yera this year mu na Huawei for the abase. Oma say smartphones are more every year no better so. Na almost this year smartphones on between 70 to 80 million smartphones. Or compare with last year almost 180 million smartphones. Samsung last 2 years almost 240 million smartphones. When you need to ban it me affect Huawei for pa. And so my bemubui enre ya Huawei for now say the Huawei Mate X2. Last year the Huawei for edu first foldable smartphone edi buy our friend the Huawei Mate X. Na the Huawei Mate X ni buy say be compete against the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 na Samsung for aye no. That design is unique. There's a difference so from Samsung for Galaxy Z Fold na never market ni muda dan. This year Huawei for release the Huawei Mate X2. Na here's a device here. Yes, the Galaxy Z Fold na Samsung for a year no. Last year the idea na the Galaxy Z Fold in baby in terms of design na and set. So I even prefer the Huawei Mate X no over the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 no because of the design no. But this year X2 no yes the Samsung ne pa difference a woman no yes the Huawei den so to me kata complete but Samsung ne den kata once as a tokro bi edda infinfin ho baby and to me kata completely but we no free where I think say the phones no yes kakra. Anyway, Huawei for said this is the best foldable smartphone of it to me at all in the market right now. Mate X2 no ewo 8 inches screen so will be in finfino. I said that was 8 inches. Now so tuma obenya 6.45 inches ewo chire na the cameras no 50 megapixel main camera. I bit me recording a video at 4K. Samsung ewo 10 times periscope lens. The first foldable smartphone a use periscope lens. Na no say odi twa picture bia obetime nya 20 times hybrid zoom and say up to 100 times digital zoom. Na esa ultra wide camera sensor and also 16 megapixel. Na the fingerprint sensor no e phone nchemu and this all person one lock abra will be phone mu a enya phone don say beto to echira hwese betime aka sensor no e wo ba bia camera no wona e wo nchen ho na nti don sa fan nchen wona na unlock e dia amount. Na sa device e use the carry 9000 chipset Huawei phone and kasa na yes chipset na RAM ni 8GB na internal storage no benya 256 and as 512 depending on sika wire the so be do away with. Now this device is so SI dual SIM but second SIM no no betumi the memory card so the ahye ho and is oyo bi opeso so the memory card e the shem kan ho a the here so be yi o SIM ba ko free so na wo the memory card the ahye ho. The battery near 4500 milliamp, which I personally think say a from kakra. Smartphones biano ayana a screens no any a nom and I say a drainy battery pan and it's over 8 inches screen. I was another screen which a 6.45 inches. Though won't mean you su me no bomb at the same time there. But so here's our 8 inches screen. I would the 4500 milliamps and a day money. I think say will be use phone pan the whole day. They be an phone the name or church or so now or ye name maybe also. A biana won't me and running the whole day with a 4500 milliampere hour. But all the same no, it's how fast charging and it's a bia or using as a drain or with me charging fast within a very short time. But so with me I enjoy this fast charging. I just say use 55 watt charger adapter na omode ka omofo no ho ede ba no smartphone yi so ese ni headset jack na ya kase enim no ntie no use the USB type C headset say about pricing na the 256 internal storage device no benya na around $2,780 and so na ope 512 gig no so na obeton around $2,940. Oh, the bagane skemwa ni mienu ni nyina no pese onsa kabia you need to get over 10,000 Ghana cedis and sana onsa etumiaka. What do you saying about this device? Do you think say they are trying to copy Samsung this time around in terms of the design of Mayanana? And do you think say the ban na US for the actual Huawei phone will have an effect on how this phone will go? Ana I mean, who are doing share with the comment section? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Send me a video biaba obehu ntem. Nyango pon share send us share. Bye bye.